Bifen and Talik sprays dry to the touch within hours, but require longer to be safe for pets and children because they leave a residual film. For best practice, treat surfaces only when you can ventilate the area and limit access until the spray is fully dry. These products typically use a carrier that evaporates in a few hours at room temperature, but residual active ingredient remains on surfaces and requires at least 4 to 8 hours to set under normal indoor conditions. Warmer temperatures and lower humidity speed drying, while cool or damp conditions can extend tackiness and risk. After spraying floors, baseboards, or play areas, wipe high-contact horizontal surfaces with a damp cloth once the product is dry to the touch to reduce transfer risk, but do not attempt wiping before drying because you will spread the wet material. Keep pets and children out of treated rooms and off-treated furniture until both no odor and no dampness remain, and if possible, wait overnight when treating areas where infants or immunocompromised people will be present. Always read and follow the product label for exact wait times and any surface-specific instructions, because label directions reflect tested safety margins. Common mistakes include letting pets re-enter too soon, expecting dry to the touch equals no risk, and over-applying product to get longer protection. If a pet or child enters too early, remove them immediately, ventilate the area, and consult a veterinarian or poison control if signs of irritation occur. If you assume touch dryness equals safety, remember that residue can transfer, so delay access longer and perform a tactile check by sliding a clean cloth over the area after the recommended wait time. If someone over-applies pesticide, reduce residue by ventilating, allowing full drying, and then lightly cleaning accessible surfaces per label guidelines to lower contact risk. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance for post-project safety. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share first-hand tips on safe pesticide use and aftercare, and we help contractors find work through our listings and community interactions.